What's up? It's your boy Regional Rod coming to you again today with another video. Today I'm be installing a mod on my car, the pedal box. And what the pedal box does, it enhances your takeoff, take the lag out your car, open up your throttle so you take off faster. And it doesn't add horsepower, but it does increases your takeoff and like kind of give you all your horses at one time. I ordered my junk from JR Custom down in Irving, Texas. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm finna install it, then I'm gonna go out and test it and see do we live up to the hype they talking about. So what we're finna do is gonna get into it, finna install it and get into it. All right, so what you do is you unplug your pedal and you plug it into here, and you take this and plug it into where you unplugged your pedal. So I'm gonna plug this in where I unplugged it, and I'll take what I unplugged and put it into here. I never installed one before. I watched a video on how to do it, so I'm finna get down here and try to install this thing. And I don't know how long it's finna take me, but I'm finna get into it. All right, so I got it installed now. So what you do now is you gotta tune it. So what you do is you put your car onto run, not crank it up, don't start it, just cut it on. You hold the plus and the minus sign down for 3 seconds. So when you do that, you see these lines right here. They start doing this right here. To tune it, what you do is, once you push your foot on the pedal and start pressing, the lights get solid and you ease on. And you ease off. Ease on. Ease off. Ease on. Ease off. All right, so now it's ready. All you gotta do that a couple of times. Ease on, ease off. That's how you tune it. Then you hold the power button down for 3 seconds. And it's ready. That right there is low mode, medium, high. And then you got the plus. That's all the way up. This how you take it down. So now that I got it installed, I got it tuned, it's time to go test it. All right, as you can see, I'm finna go ahead and test the pedal box. And yes, it is the next day. Yesterday, after I got through installing it and tuning it, it started raining. So I wasn't able to finish the video up. So I had to wait till today, which it actually rained today too. So I had to wait till it stopped raining, and it's damn near dark. And I was gonna get somebody to ride with me so they could, like, give you a different reaction besides mine on what the pedal box doing. So, but I'm finna go on and test it first. First test I'm gonna do is I guess I'm gonna have to really just use my exhaust, the sound of my exhaust maybe, I don't know, or my reaction, however it's gonna be. But first, I'm just gonna put it in sport mode without it on, and then I'm gonna go with the low mode all the way up. Then I'm gonna turn around and do a medium mode all the way up, and then I'm gonna do the high mode all the way up. So right now I'm finna take off. I'm finna take off in just sport. getting dark outside, so I had to use my interior light to try to make some kind of lighting, or maybe I'll be able to adjust it in the editing. So we'll go see. But I'm finna turn it on. I just turned it on to low mode, and I'm finna see if it make a difference. I felt that a little bit in that low mode. I felt that low mode a little bit. It working in that low mode. That wasn't bad at all. That was better than the takeoff was better than just a regular sport mode. Being honest, I'm gonna turn it up to medium now since I'm gonna turn around. I kind of like that low mode though. So now I got it in medium. I'm finna stop completely. All right, let's see. Take off. Still spinning. Oh yeah. That medium is okay. A little pressure. I like that medium right there. That medium, okay. So that thing, okay. Alright, I'm finna turn it on high. And I ain't gonna lie, after that, how it was spinning, I'm kind of nervous about hitting it on high. We're finna do it anyway. Alright, I got it all the way up. Let's see what it did. That thing's, I had to come out of it, I ain't gonna lie, and get back in. They're pushing that thing. I like that. Hey. Yeah, it works. It works. It definitely works. Turn around again. I got it all the way up now. Wish I could have got a better video of this stuff for real. It is this high. Hey, I mess with it, man. I mess with it. I'm gonna have to do probably another video, man, playing around. I'm gonna do another video with somebody in here next time I get a chance to do a video. But it completely took all the lag out. Even the low mode took the lag out of my takeoff. And the high, it's just a lunge. It's a strong lunge. You can hear my exhaust is still. Yeah. I don't know if I ever turn it back to anything else besides high all the way up. It's taking off for real. But I'm gonna do another reaction video, man, like for real, with somebody in here with me and had to go through all the modes. So that's probably gonna be my next video, doing a reaction of, I guess, somebody with me. And I don't know, I found a way to do something, but I can tell this thing really does add to that takeoff and giving them horses, that horsepower, giving you all that horsepower. And man, just stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy, Reading That Rob.
and I'm out.